Welcome to Satvidya Java tutorials. Now we are in section 9. By this lesson we are going to conclude our packages and the course. So here we are going to talk about managing source files and class files and a summary. So here this managing source files and class files are not given in the Java specifications, but most of our Java developers follow this class path. So whenever we are creating a Java application, we are going to maintain two folders called source folder and the class folder, where source folder contains all the files that we are creating like .java files or interface files or enumeration files or annotation files, and class folder contains all class files that Java is going to produce after compilation. So here we are going to create two different folders, because whenever we want to give our class files to the customer, then we can only just give the class files without showing the source code. So here we are going to see how we are going to name the path. Source files are placed in a directory whose name reflects the name of the package in which the type belongs. For example, if you have a file called arithmetic.java, and that file may be with the package com.satvidya.operators. So if you want to store arithmetic.java in a folder, then we are going to follow the package path and we are going to create a folder. So how do we do that? We are going to create com folder and satvidya folder and operator folder, and finally we are going to put that file in the operators folder. So finally our path is going to be source slash com slash satvidya slash operators, and our file is located in the operators. So for example, if my path is com.satvidya.math.operators, then my folder, how I am going to create my folder? My folder is going to be com satvidya math operators. There I am going to put my file called arithmetic.java. And here, so finally what our source file contains here? All the files like Java files, annotation files, everything with a folder called source slash com satvidya math operators and arithmetic.java, and all other like assignment.java, all packages comes here. And if you have any other package, then again we are going to make another folder for that package. And now coming to after compilation, what happens? Our class files are going to create, and those class files are going to be placed in the class folder, where the naming also going to be class slash com slash satvidya math operators and arithmetic class. This is what we are going to follow when we are creating the files. The class path that we are going to follow, it's depend upon the packages that we are creating. So finally we are going to look at the whole summary of the packages. If you want to create a package, our first statement in the file should be a keyword called package and the package name. And if you want to use any public type from the different package, then here are the three ways that you can follow. One way is you can use a full name of the type. That means without using the import keyword, you can directly create an object by giving the full package name with a dot symbol, and then you can also create object without using the import keyword in your file. The way two is you can import the type from the package. That means using import keyword, you can always write your just type. If you are using only arithmetic operators in your file, then you can just import package name dot arithmetic. That means operators dot arithmetic into your package, into your file. And if you are using multiple packages, the way 3, you can also import entire package into your file, where you can use all the files that are available, all the public types that are available in that particular package. So how do we do that? We are going to use import package name dot star. So this is all about the package. In our next class, we are going to conclude our course and we are going to review all the course topic. What are all we discussed until now. So don't miss it. Keep watching. If you like this video, please like and share to our friends who want to learn Java from basics. And please don't forget to subscribe. And for our notifications, please press the bell icon below. And for notes, please visit www.it.sathvidya.com. Thank you.